Bueno, sí, és que això s'haurà de per aquí, no suposo?
Sí, ara tu ja serà. Jo te poso.
Okay, we will start, please. Hi everyone, we are iThink, and we're going to explain you the challenge. I think that yesterday, Roberto, Alberto explained you the challenge for this part, at least who we are. I'm going to explain it quickly because this is yesterday, because it makes sense. We are iThinkUPC. We are a company that creates solutions for the university and for external companies. We are more than 200 engineers, and we help his mission to transfer advanced knowledge. Our company is divided in 5 sections: analytics, that is all the area of artificial AI, data science, business intelligence; cyber, challenge, digital applications, the cloud and managed services. What we expect you to do? We are searching for something simple, a web app or a mobile application that integrates some AI. The first thing that comes in mind is ChatGPT. Everyone knows it, but we expect you to go one step ahead and think outside of the box.
You can do a chatbot, but it's not necessary. You can do whatever you want. It's a typical thing, you can do it, but you can think.
Yeah, you have to put in place. Well, I think that a lot of you are students, and you have to think in a tool that you would like to have at this moment for your university life.
It can be a useful thing for you or for the university.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
Yeah. Well, this is the prices. It's for each member. So I think there are things for people. So out. And there's any doubt? No.
Okay.
Normally, AI tasks, applications are based in 3 steps. First of all, you select the task you want to do. And then, once you have the task, you choose and put in the model. You can find put in the model in Hugging Face, or PyTorch Hub, or TensorFlow Hub. Any questions that you have in this matter, you can ask. And finally, once you have the task and the pre-trained model, you can fine-tune it with data related to the task you want to do. This is a schema of how it works. Transfer learning. You have the source data, a lot of data, and a source model, and you train it and create a pre-trained model. Once you have a pre-trained model, you have a small amount of data with the task that you want to solve, and then you train the model, and you end up with a model that solves this task. These are some examples of where you can find pre-trained models. The most famous is Hugging Face, but you can look any of this. There are articles, if you're searching for articles, where they upload their models in Zenodo. Zenodo is a web where it's similar to GitHub, but with models and data. But let's say that you cannot search it directly with their query. You have to have a link in their article, and then you find the models. These are some tools for fine-tuning your model or creating it from scratch. Google Colab is the more famous. You can use notebooks with GPU for free. Kernels is similar, but there is one advantage, is that you can leave the model training, and you can go to sleep and close the computer, and it will train. Google Colab it requires the decisions of the train.
The only problem is that in kernel kernels you have less time free GPU,
Yeah.
but well,
What
I think it will
in this
be
we can
enough.
do.
But
And well, to load the web, you can use Amazon Web Service Frontier or other solutions.
Azure, Amazon, and Google Cloud have a free tier. You log there, create an account, and you can train your models there. And also, you can deploy your app in, for example, Amazon free tier. You can do that there.
And if you are stuck and don't have an idea of where to go, there's these AI top tools where you search for an idea that you think that may be interesting or a concept, and it will give you a list of articles that can be matter.
Here you can find all the projects of EA that have been like,
Involved.
yes, you can like, find as a developer, and you will be some ideas there.
And that's all. If you have any question, or individually in our group, you can come and ask me a question later. No problem.
Now we will be at the stand all the morning, and you can also ask in Slack. We will be all day there if you have some concrete doubt or something like that. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Bueno, a ver si soportamos de como la cosa tan